Thank you so much for filling out the pre-approval questionnaire. We really appreciate you providing all the information, and we look forward to working with you. So I wanted to go over the next steps. What can you expect from here? So we are going to review the application. We're going to make sure that we've gotten the documentation that we need. Your pay stubs, tax returns if you're self-employed. We want to verify where your assets, where the money is coming for closing. And then we're going to set up a Zoom or face-to-face meeting with you. In that meeting, we're going to go over the loan scenarios that we put together. What are the best options for you? What are the best interest rates? Are you qualifying for any type of grant or first-time home buyer programs? Whatever the best program is, we're going to put together those scenarios and we're going to share those with you. And then after the meeting, we're going to share it with you and your realtor so that they can make sure that they set you up for the best search so you can find the right home. And then we're going to stay in touch. We'll provide the pre-approval letter. We'll reach out to the listing agent when the offer is submitted. We want to do everything we can to ensure that you're going to win that home and win the contract, and then we'll get you to closing smoothly.